I made these three different marble machines. I've seen them on the internet. The guy who designs them is just a genius, and I figured out I'd like to make copies of it myself, so I did. I downloaded the STL files and the schematics, and off I went. So here's the first one. So there is a sensor, which is about right there, where on the edge of this box almost, and then up front of it is a coil, and when the sensor is closed, which is mean when the ball crosses that opening there, the coil fires, and then as soon as the coil leaves the sensor, it shuts it off. And the reason it has to shut it off is because if it was on all the time, it would make the ball stuck right here in the middle. As a matter of fact, I'm going to try to demonstrate it. There. So it's in a very simple invention or system, and I really thank the guy that made it. I will try to put in my description of the video where you can maybe go and look at it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the ball and shut off this guy, put him aside, and then here is the second one, and this one is pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and push these balls into play. So there are a bunch of little balls over here that they are coming to get into the, I call it the snail, and once it gets into this coil, it brings them up and dumps them over here, and then it goes around and gets recycled. So that's how it works. That's pretty simple as well. I like both of these, but now my favorite is this one here. I really like this one, and it's a lot of fun to watch it. And this can take up to 3 balls. I'm going to put the third ball there. That's if I use. There we go. So now all 3 balls are in play, and it's really picky. In my case, I had to add this little rubber band that you see on the right side, because it was just not far enough this way and going far enough down to pick up the ball. So it's very cool to watch for a while. I should shut off this guy here, so we have a little bit of peace in here. There we go. So I hope you like it. I'm powering it up with this little thing that I made a long time ago. Printed this box that fits on top of the Ryobi battery, and then I bought this unit right here, which steps down the voltage. In this case 18.5 volts, so 9 volts is input, and right now I'm powering 5 volts this little motor. The motor is same as used on the other Spider one. It's this little motor, and it has 100 RPM, and it's 6 volts, but I'm only using 5 volts because that's what makes these balls in sync, so I can have 3 of them running at the same time. Hope you like it as much as I do. Put thumbs up if you like it, and leave some nice comments. Thank you very much.